raining heavily, and 2-3 times the electricity has gone for like 2-3 minutes. Guys, I'm really sure that it's raining heavily, and today I'm like eating fried rice, my favorite, with some fried egg and some chicken on it. It's so heavily raining, guys. Yeah, it's heavily raining at Bangalore. You can hear as well. Okay, bye guys. It's so heavy raining. I can't just. It's so heavy raining, guys. I can't believe it. Am I all alive? Bye. Have a good day. I'm drinking my juice and Bye guys. Have a good day. Subscribe. Mom, जरा नीचे हो जाइए. जरा नीचे, Mom. I'm talking to my mom, guys. And guys, here we are just watching fire. We are watching Fire TV, and there the plug is there of Fire TV. You can see there as well. Bye guys, have a good day, and please subscribe to Srosh Bird. This is Szechuan fried rice, my mom's own recipe. Bye guys.